I walked a road where voices faded out. Names I trusted turned their backs on me. When the night was loud with fear and doubt, I stood alone, no place to be. Friends I leaned on disappeared with time, left me wounded, broken and afraid. But in the silence I heard your voice calling softly, lighting up the way.
When the world let go of my hand, you never once let go of me.
The Lord is my shepherd,
I shall not want.
though I walk through valleys
Deep and long,
when I'm lost and weary, far from home. You restore my soul, you make me strong. You lead me beside still waters true. Through the dark you bring me home. The Lord is my shepherd, my refuge sure. I was never walking on my own. I wore the weight of every broken vow,
every broken,
every promise that was left behind.
that was there.
Doors were closed and hope was running out.
Hope was running
Questions
out.
heavy
Questions heavy
on my mind,
on my mind.
but you prepared a table in my pain.
Table in my
Fed my
face.
faith when I was running dry.
Mama said,
Even when my enemies stood around me,
stood around.
you reminded me whose child am I.
When my strength was almost gone, your rod and staff kept me holding on.
Oh,
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Though I walk through valley deep and long,
when I'm
when lost and weary, far from home, you restore my soul.
you make me strong.
You make me strong.
Oh, you lead me
Beside still waters true. Through the dark you bring me home. The Lord is my shepherd, my refuge sure. I was never walking on.
surely goodness,
Surely goodness,
surely mercy
surely mercy,
follow me
follow me all
of my days.
my days.
Every tear you saw me cry,
You saw
every step
that
you made away.
every step
From the wilderness to open arms, from the lost to being found. You didn't leave me where I fell, you led my feet on holy ground.
The Lord is my shepherd,
Oh,
I shall not fear.
even when the road is steep and cold, what was meant to break me brought me near. To the shepherd who will never let me go, you anoint my head, my cup overflows with a love that never ends. The Lord is my shepherd, now and forever.
He brought this lost soul home again.
When friends walked away and the night was long, the shepherd stayed